It's your girl Anita. I'm back to make this little short video just to basically ask you guys what you want to see. Like, you know, if you want to see hair videos, whatever, you know, fashion, makeup, leave a comment below as to suggestions. Whether I get them or not, I will be rolling some videos out soon. Anyways, I'll be rolling those videos out probably twice a month until I figure out like a rhythm that works for me as far as the scheduling goes. And I don't want to be one of those YouTubers who's just like, I'm gonna roll some videos and then 5 months later, okay, yeah. So I'm not gonna talk about it and just be about it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna roll those videos out. Stay tuned. Comment below what you want to see. This is my hair, so I can make hair videos as well. My hair is on my back, believe it or not. I'm wearing black again. And I'm making a hair video, so you can't really see my length, but it's okay. I know it's long. And yeah, so I can make these hair videos as well if you want to see them, just so you know. So leave those comments below and stay tuned. Put on your post notifications. Now I mean, like this video, thumbs up, give me some support each other. Now I mean. Anyways, I'm gonna stop clowning. See you guys until next time. Peace.